Heya, it's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. So I thought of doing something a little different today and do a quick vlog. I'm gonna be buying parts for building a PC for my good friend's kids as a Christmas gift. I hope she's not watching. Here's the kicker. I want to build it with all new parts for under $500. Now, keep in mind it's a starter PC for kids. It's not gonna be a gaming machine. So I think it's very much doable with what I've set my mind on. Now, lucky for me, it's also Black Friday here right now in the States. For those of you outside the United States, Black Friday is the biggest shopping day of the year over here. Back in the day, Black Friday used to just be one day and then you would get these crazy deals. But nowadays, you know, Black Friday has ended up starting earlier and ended up ending later, and the deals have kind of been watered down, so you wouldn't really know if you're getting the best deal that there is, because then you're gonna worry if there's gonna be a better deal tomorrow. You guys know what I mean? Anyway, I digress. Let's see what I got so far. Okay, so here's what I ordered so far. I got a 5600G for just $199. Now, if we're going to be even close to hitting our $500 budget goal, I have to get an APU, so this fits the bill. I also got an NZXT H210 case for just $80 and the motherboard for just $120, so not bad. But you know what? After I ordered it, I also found the same exact motherboard for just $99 and free shipping. So I'm gonna get it from Newegg instead. And then I also saw this deal for the H1 case with $150 off plus 10% off, which comes out to about $180. So even though it's $100 more than the other case I reserved at microcenter, I'm going with this one instead because it already has a power supply unit and an AIO. So overall, it comes out to be less. In case you're wondering, yes, this is the case with the fire hazard riser cable. So don't tell their mom. Actually, no, I'm just kidding. They fixed the issue already. And also, since we're going to be using a Ryzen APU, we won't have to use the riser cable anymore until we add a dedicated GPU later on. One other deal I found was this deal at microcenter for a free SSD. Now, it's probably not the best drive, but for a starter PC, a free 240GB SSD, can't complain. Okay, so we got our orders in. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go drive to microcenter. We're gonna pick up our CPU and our free hard drive, and we're just gonna go in, get the CPU, and then go out. In and out, in and out. We can't get distracted by anything else. Okay, let's go. Don't buy anything else, Sarah. Holy Spirit, activate. Let's go. All right, we are on our way to microcenter. I just left the house, and hopefully traffic won't be an enemy to me. So traffic is actually pretty good, but I'm from the Philippines, so don't take my word for it. Traffic in the Philippines is horrendous, and anything here in LA is definitely better. But yeah, I mean, we're not at a standstill, so that's great. Alright, you guys, we're here at microcenter already. Finally, that was such a long car ride. Ay, nako. Now we just have to look for a parking spot. And then we'll get our goods. Oh, it's crowded right now. I think everyone's buying their computer. Wait, I can't forget my ID. And let's go. Let's get this bread. So we're inside and I'm just looking. So we're inside and I'm just looking at monitors for my niece and nephew's computer project, which I'm gonna build with them. And I don't know, I'm just window shopping as well. Maybe I need something which I don't have yet at home. In and out. In and out. We can't get distracted by anything else. Okay, let's go. This place is fun. Look who I bumped into. Hi, Shab. They're all boys here. Everyone here is a boy. So I'm shy. pick these up. So I'm gonna get this, and this is my order. I'm just gonna get the CPU.
Okay. What's the last name?
Carlos. I'm just gonna get the CPU.
Let me go take a look. Be right back.
Oh, okay. Also, do you guys still have this in stock?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, great.
Okay. Appreciate it. Thank you. Do you need them or do you need them? Card or anything? No. Appreciate you, check.
I got the good. Oh wait. I got the good. You know what? I'm gonna do this on my card. I don't know why I'm making I don't know why I'm making things difficult for myself. I'm not a vlogger, you guys. I got the goods, and there's a car waiting for us to leave. Oh no, never mind. I got the goods. All right, guys. So I'm back home. That was a long drive, but I would say it's worth it. So here are the goodies that I got. First up, we have dun, 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 the SSD, which cost us $0 because it was free. Nice. Next up, we got, okay, I have a little bit of a quick story with this one because it's actually really A+ customer service. So I have here the Ryzen 5700G. It's an upgrade, a little bit of an upgrade from the 5600G, because when I got to the store, they ran out of the 5600 and they sold this to me for the same price, and that's $199. What? Definitely worth it for me. Alright, remember how I said I was gonna go into microcenter, get the CPU, get the hard drive, not get distracted and go back home? Well, I got distracted. So I got an RTX 3060 graphics card. Yeah, that happened. However, I'm gonna put this to good use because it's gonna be replacing an old beat up graphics card that I have in my older PC. So yeah. Okay, so here is the final tally. The CPU cost us $200. The power supply unit cost us $0 because it comes with a case. The cooler fans, $0 because it still comes with a case. The hard drive, $0 because we got it for free using a coupon. The GPU, we don't need to use a GPU because we're using a Ryzen APU. The case, it costs us $180, and the motherboard, it costs us $100. All in all, before taxes, the total is $480. Ta-da! And that counts. I'm counting that as a win. All right, so that concludes our part 1. So this entire video is a part 1 because we're gonna be doing a part 2 where we're gonna be building the PC for the kids together. And yeah, that concludes episode 1. As always, if you guys like this video, let me know in the comments down below. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so that I know you guys like this type of content coming from me. Anyway, with that said, I'll see you guys for part 2. See you guys next time. Bye bye.